Hello and welcome back. So today we'll discuss the body movements. What are the body movements occurs in your human body? We will discuss in this video. So different types of body movements occur in your body. So first is the flexion and extension. What is flexion? What is extension? So flexion means bending or decreasing angle between the bones or body parts of the body. And extension means straightening of a bend. First you are doing the bend of the body parts. This is called flexion. And again, straightening of the bent part, which you already done in the flexion conditions. So making in an increasing in the angle between the bones and body parts. If you are moving the body parts or bending your body parts toward the body parts in the bone sides. This comes under the flexion, and extension means straightening of a bent parts of the body. You can see here. This is normal human anatomy, structural. This is flexion. Flexion means the moving the body parts upper side, and this is flexion. Flexion means toward the body sides or bending of your body parts, bone or body parts of the body. And extension just opposite of the flexion. Extension means straightening of a bent body part. For example, this is flexion and again comes under the normal structures. This is extension. This is extension. You can see in this image, this is extension, again flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion. So flexion toward the body parts or bending of the body parts, and extension away from the body parts or straightening of a bent body parts. Next you can see in the hand flexion and extension. This is flexion and extension. You can see here flexion, extension, flexion, extension. So this is the flexion and extension body movements. Next body movement is the dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. Dorsiflexion means you can see the moving of a palm upper sides, and plantar flexion means movement of the downside. Dorsiflexion, you can see here. Dorsiflexion, plantar flexion. Dorsiflexion, plantar flexion. This is the dorsiflexion. You can see this is dorsiflexion means the bone moving toward your body sides, and plantar flexion move bone away from the body sides. So this is called dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. Next body movement is the abduction and adduction. Abduction and adduction. Abduction means separations. You can see. Adduction means adding or nearby the structures. Movement of a limb away from the midline of the body. This is called abduction. You can see away from the midline of the body. And adduction means movement of a limb toward the body. You can see means adduction means add or narrowing. In the image, in the video, you can see abduction, adduction, adduction, abduction. Adduction means adding. This is adding. This is adding. And abduction. Adduction. Abduction. Adduction. This is called abduction and abduction, movement of the body parts. Next is the movement is called rotation. Rotation of your head, rotation of your body toward the right side or toward the left sides. So movement, any movement of a body parts around its long axis. So you can see this is the midline, or you can see axis, anatomical position. If you are moving the right side, again moving the left side, your rotation of your hand, your head toward the right side, again left side. You can see movement of a right side and again movement left side. So this is called rotations. So rotation is any movement of your body parts around its long axis or midline of the body. Next is the protraction and retraction movements. Protraction and retraction movement. Protraction means movement anteriorly and retraction means movement posteriorly. You can see image. This is called protraction, movement anteriorly, retraction, movement posteriorly. You can see in this video, movement anteriorly, this is called protraction. And again, backside or posteriorly, this is called retraction. You can see protraction, retraction, protraction, retraction. So this movement is called the protraction and retraction movements. Movement anteriorly, protraction, movement posteriorly, retraction. So thank you so much. Next, we will discuss regarding the levels of the structural organization and body systems. So click on the video and study the levels of structural organization and different body systems.